why your webinar isn't booking calls, and then the 3 questions your application page isn't answering. Now, if you're running a webinar funnel, but less than 10% of your viewers are actually booking in calls right now, this video is going to show you exactly how to fix that silent leak in your funnel, which is your application page. And if you want the exact application page template that's helped our clients to double or even treble their call booking rates, just drop the word template below and I can send this directly over to you. Hello, I'm Tina Sanford and I'm the co-founder of 𝗕cie_𝗸𝗏. Now, since 2020, my son and I have been working with high-level coaches, consultants and service providers, people just like you, who are actually serious about growing their business using ads, but also without wasting time on strategies that don't convert. Now, back to funnels. Now, this lack of booked calls after the end of a webinar is one of the biggest gaps I'm seeing in webinar funnels right now. Now, if you've created the perfect webinar, then the problem isn't the webinar itself. Let me explain. Okay, now let's say that you've spent time and budget to run ads to a great webinar. It's educational, it's persuasive, and your ideal clients are actually watching it all the way to the end. But then what? Only a tiny percentage of them are actually booking in a call? You know, that's where a lot of people are getting stuck. And if this is happening to you in your funnel, you're not alone right now. We're seeing this all the time. Now, we're also noticing that most business owners are assuming the problem is the webinar. So what they're doing is they're re-recording it, they're adding more slides, they're tweaking the pitch, adding more testimonials, maybe they're even re-editing the video for the 5th, 6th, 7th time, okay? Others actually changing the follow-up emails, posting more valuable content, or a lot of people are actually spending even more on the cold traffic, thinking that more leads are going to fix the conversion problem. And some are even actually questioning the offer itself, thinking about it, thinking like, maybe I need to lower the price right now. Maybe this isn't what people want. Okay, but I want to tell you the truth right now. If people are actually watching your webinar, but not actually booking the call, it's very likely the problem isn't your content or your offer. It's very likely the problem is going to be your application page. Specifically, is the fact that your application page is not giving them the information that they need to confidently take the next step. But this is where our 3-question framework comes in. Now, every high converting application page that we've built or seen answers 3 core questions that your leads are asking subconsciously before they will decide to take the action. Okay, this is important. These 3 questions are, why am I here? Am I in the right place? And then, what should I do next? And actually, there's even a 4th bonus question that actually takes things even further, if you like, and that is, what happens if I do that? Yeah. Now, we find that when these questions are left unanswered, your leads just hesitate, okay? And it's not because they're not interested. They've watched the end of your webinar, but what's happening is they're actually unsure, or they're just unclear what's going to happen. And with any funnel at all, uncertainty will kill any chance that you had of getting your clients through profitably. But on the back of that is by answering those questions clearly and confidently, you'll create a sense of direction. You'll eliminate the doubt because you're letting them know exactly what's going to happen and what's in it for them. Now, the beauty of this approach is that it's simple and you don't need to redesign your funnel. All you need to do is just reframe how you communicate with your application page. It's incredible, isn't it? So if you want our fill in the blanks application page template, it will show you exactly how to apply this to your funnel today. So if you want what we've got already that works, drop the word template below and I'm happy to send this over to you. Now, I've got to tell you, this resource has helped our clients to increase their call bookings without them having to touch their webinar or change their offer or even throw more money at ads. You know, you can answer these 3 questions on your application page today and book in more calls in your funnel by the end of the week, just by applying it.